Most people think you need a big team or 14 funnels to make $10,000 a month online. The truth is, you need a plan that you'll actually do. My name is Sebring, and I took a small YouTube channel and turned it into a multiple six-figure, one-person online business that currently makes me $25,000 a month. And I'd love to help other people learn how to do the same thing. So in this video, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact plan if you want to build a business teaching what you know online and turning that into a viable income. This is actually an incredibly simple four-step system. It starts with content that builds trust with your audience. Content really does the heavy lifting for you in an online business. It's amazing how much credibility that you can gain with targeted, helpful, consistent content. You actually don't need a ton of views. What you need is the right content for the right person that you're trying to reach. And if your content solves their problem and solves it very well, it takes them to the next step, which is to get them from your content onto your list, and specifically your email list or your text list. And the way that this happens is through your lead magnet. This is the free or low-cost, helpful resource that you provide in exchange for someone's email address or their phone number. Almost every online business that you see that's doing well moves people from content that's on a platform like YouTube or Instagram to their owned list. And I say owned, meaning their asset, they own it. You don't own your audience on TikTok. You don't own your audience on YouTube or Instagram, but you do own your list. So if your content does its job, it has a clear call to action to get people to your list. Once they're on your list, you want to nurture them as a lead. And all of this can be automated very simply, but you want to give them a reason to open your emails, click on them, read your text messages. And the way you do this is if those emails and text are continuing to solve their problem at an even deeper level. And then from there, you want to present them with an irresistible offer. This is something that's going to solve their problem in the quickest way and at the deepest possible level. This simple, repeatable four-step system is the engine that runs my $25,000 a month one-person business. It's what allows me to have the life that I want to live, to be free, to have time freedom, location independence, all the things that all of us want. This allows me. And I would love to help you build the same type of business for yourself. I have a free guide just for you called the Super Simple Guide to Starting a Thriving Online Business. These are the exact steps that we talked about in this video, but with more detail and some ways for you to implement them today so that you can begin to build a business teaching the thing that you know, your experiences, your skill, and your passion. Because I believe if you've watched the video this far, it's very likely that you have something inside of you that you want to get out to the world, and you might as well impact a lot of people and make a great living doing it. So click below or go to lanesebring.com/supersimple to get your free guide today.